Crank it up. Got a bunch of H2's. We're at Cajon Summit. Train's on main track number 3, westbound. It's about milepost 56 right around here. I gotta admit the ground is shaking just a little bit. Brand new JBs look pretty good. Like that one right there. There's a fire in the Cajon wash. See, the trains aren't threatened though. Big BNSF work truck just pulled up behind me. Gonna cross after this train. I can't shoot that way with the sun. And there's a water tank truck across the way too. Just pulled in. We hope you like what you see. Please subscribe to our channel. Give us that big thumbs up. If you got a little thumbs, we'll take that too. Jabber just went by. Please subscribe to the channel. We love those super thanks, super chat. We've got some strong Patreon members. We'd like a few more. We love you guys, and we're going to catch you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.